Welcome to a new video. Today we are going to cover feature importance, which is really important for machine learning. Understanding which features are most influential in making predictions can help us interpret our models, reduce dimensionality, and even improve performance. Let's start coding. We will start with the imports. We are going to import pandas. We are going to import train test split. I'm going to use random forest, so I'm going to import random forest classifier. Random forest classifier, and we are going to import matplotlib because we are going to make our features at the end of the video as PLT. Here it is. Now I'm going to create a synthetic dataset for our exercise. We'll be working with a simple classification problem for demonstration. I'm not going to write its code, I'm just going to make a copy paste here. We have created a dataset with 1000 samples, 10 features and a binary target variable, which means our target value is either 0 or 1. Next, let's split this dataset into training and test sets. Xtrain, Xtest, Ytrain, Ytest equals to train test split. We will say df.drop. We will drop the target. For the x, we will say x is equals to 1, and then we are going to, for the y, say df target here, and let's set the test size as 0.2, which means our 20% of the data is going to be in the test set. So let's just make it work. Here it is. Now we have our data split into training and test sets, with 80% of the data used for training and the remaining 20% for testing. Now we will use a random forest classifier for this example. Random forests are great because they inherently measure feature importance. So let's say classifier is going to be equal to the random forest classifier. Let's say number of estimators is going to be 100, and let's fit this to our data, Xtrain and Ytrain. Our random forest model is trained. The next step is to evaluate its feature importance. So we will say importance is going to be equal to the classifier.feature importances. So let me quickly show you what this returns. I'm going to copy it and run in here. As you can see, it returns an array which shows which feature is the most important, less important, which features affects most. So you can get this information from here. It seems like it's the most important feature. Now let's say feature names is going to be equal to the xtrain.coms. You can also take xtest, no difference between them. Feature importance data frame, we will use pandas. Data frame, we will open a dictionary here and we will say feature names here, and then we will say importance, and we will use importance here. Here it is. And the next step is we will say feature importance data frame, feature importance data frame sort values. We will say by importance, and we will say ascending is going to be false. So I just wrote this with capital letter. In this way, this is going to work great. This code gives us the importance of each feature in descending order, so we can just check it by feature importance data frame and see how this looks like. You can see our features are listed by their importance. Now we are going to visualize this information to make it easier to interpret. We will say PLT dot, we will use bar plot here, feature importance data frame, feature, and we will say feature importance data frame importance. And let's set X label as importance, Y label as features, title as feature importance, and we will use plt.show here. As you can see from the bar chart, some features like feature 5 have a higher level of importance than others. This information is crucial for understanding the predictive power of individual features in your dataset. Understanding feature importance can provide invaluable insights into your machine learning model. It helps in optimizing the model and explaining its decision to stakeholders. That's it for today's tutorial. I had to use another microphone and I can't use mine, so I'm not sure about the sound quality for this one, but I'm just going to check after recording, and if it's okay, I'm going to upload this one too. Thanks for watching my video. Have a great day.